Hello. So for these ones where they're not giving you the mean and the standard deviation, what you need to do is list the data then. So you would go under Stat, and where it says Edit, you can enter data. Now if you have data in there already, I don't think I do. Let's hit Enter. But if I did, then you can hit Second and quit. When you go under Stat, go down to Clear List. And then you want to tell it what list. It was in list 1, which is right here in the yellow. So it's second and list 1, and then hit enter and it will delete it. So then when we go in there, there's nothing in there. And so you enter all your data under list 1. And if you look at the numbers 10, 10, 10, 7, 8, 11, 0, 11, 3, and 12. And that was 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I might have missed one. Let me double check. So 10, 10, 10, 7, 8, 11, 0, 11, 3, 12, oh, one more 12. There we go. Okay. Then you hit second and quit to get out of it. Now to find, we want a 95% confidence interval. It's a t distribution. So we go under Stat, go over to Test. And these tests, we'll use a lot of these in the next couple chapters. But notice here it says Z interval. This is a confidence interval for Z. And if you go past it, it has the T. So it has the T one right there, T interval. And you hit enter. Now instead of being on statistics, you move it over to data and it will use the data that was in the list. Watch when we move over to data and hit enter. Notice it wants to know the list that your data's in. And we put it in list 1. Leave the frequency as 1. And then here we want to put our 95% confidence interval. I think it was 95, double check. Yeah, 95. 0.95. Go down to calculate and hit enter. And there it is. There's your confidence interval. And that's what they had. Let's look at one more. So number 12, you can clear this page. You hit Stat and Edit. Now notice the numbers are in there, so second and quit. Stat, go down to Clear List, hit Enter, and then it's L1, so second and L1. L1 is where the 1 is. I'm going to go back in, Stat and Edit to enter them. So 25, 25, 28, 19, 20, 12, 16, 24, 7. I hit a plus sign there. 24, 7, 9, 25, and 10. 16, 24, 27. I always double check. 25, 28, 29, 20, 12. Okay. So second and quit. Stat. Up on top, go over to Test. And then this was also a t distribution. Right there. Now data's highlighted. It's in list 1. Check the confidence interval. 98, so 0.98. And calculate. And there's our interval, 11.5. 0.58 to 23.874. Right there. If you don't have the calculator, if you look under chapter 2, it's other chapters too, but in chapter 2, outline under announcements, it does have a 90-day free trial for a calculator, which works really nice. My trial's up, or I would have been using it. If you have any questions, let me know.